Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good, and you?
I am fine. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Nilesh. What is your name?
My name is Rakha.
Oh, thank you. How old are you?
I'm 22 years old. And you?
I'm 24 years old. Where are you from?
I am from India. What's about you?
I am from Bangladesh.
Where do you live?
I live in Dhaka. And you?
I live in Kolkata.
I love Kolkata.
I am also love Dhaka. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How do I look?
You look very great.
Thank you. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I'm a nurse.
Do you like to traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you like sports?
Yes. I like playing cricket. Do you play any sports?
Yes. I play football. How's your day going?
Pretty good. Thanks. Can you drive?
Yes. I can drive.
Are you hungry?
No. Thank you. I'm fine. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Do you like cooking?
Yes. I do like to cook. How much language you know?
I know two language. You know Bengali?
Yes. I know Bengali language.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes. I go to gym regularly.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What's about you?
My favorite fruit also too.
Do you have any hobbies?
I really enjoy photography. How about you?
I like to listen a story.
Thank you. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.